Hi guys, Josh from WCI here, and today I want to give you my point of view on this 24-inch linear drain from JECONNY. So many really cool features, and I'm going to show you close up right now. I really like the membrane that went over top of the stainless steel to protect it while you're handling it and installing it. Prevents scratches. Really, really smart idea. The feet here are perfect. They adjust to the different heights that you need so that you have a level drain, which is extremely important, as you know. And then it slides into this this kit here, this drain kit. You flip it upside down. This is where you insert the tile if you wish, and you'll see how that looks in just a minute. And then it comes with a hair strainer, which prevents clogs. It's really nice, very handy. We do it, clean it out every shower you have, and then you have no issues. If you're buying the linear drain, I advise getting this from JECONNY as well. This is the shower drain base. It works really well. You put the rubber membrane in there, you slide in so that it fits perfectly on the drain itself, and you slide it in, and it's really designed very well, nice and snug, no issues. I really recommend getting this as well. This is the finished product. It's so nice, it works so well, drains perfectly, no issues whatsoever, and it looks beautiful. I can do it, so can you. It's a beautiful product from JECONNY. As you can see, I'm still working on the shower, finishing touches, but I wanted to show you all of the different features that this came with and why I liked installing it so much, and the finished product is amazing. It's a really cool design, very affordable price, something that everybody, if you're redoing your bathroom, you should get, but that's just my point of view.